Hey, in this tutorial I will show you how to begin recording vocals like a pro. First of all, you need a proper equipment, so all you need is a program where you are going to be recording. The best programs to use are those, professional platforms for producing music. Examples of those are FL Studio, Ableton, Logic Pro X, Pro Tools, Reaper, Studio One and Cubase. If you don't want to use a DAW, you can always try to use other programs with recording features like Adobe Audition. You also gonna need an audio interface, XLR cable, microphone stand, nice headphones, and a mic with a pop filter, of course. If you are sure you have all of this essential equipment, you can now set it up properly. You have to connect your interface to your computer, microphone to your interface using XLR cable, prepare your headphones for monitoring, prepare a pop filter for eliminating bummy consonants, and set your microphone in the right direction. And a little disclaimer here, if you have a mic which needs a phantom power, you have to choose the right XLR cable and press that 48V button on your interface. Remember about that. Once it's all set up, you can go to your program. I'm personally using FL Studio, and in the audio settings, choose your interface. Then you have to go to your mixer and choose a channel where you're going to be recording. I am choosing First Insert. You just click on it. And after that, you can press the recording button and choose this option. Now, FL Studio is asking me if I want to record in stereo or mono. I choose mono because my mic records only in mono. Well, it's done now. We are ready to record. So that will be it for today. Don't forget to subscribe and to rate this video clicking this thumb up or this thumb down. You can also ask me in the comments about any problems you had during your recording sessions. I will answer you certainly. See you in the next videos.